Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class and we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 13, Our Beautiful Earth. Okay children, so in this chapter, yesterday 2 days before I gave you the introduction. I read the chapter, okay, and I have explained you in details, and I have completed with the book exercises. Then yesterday also I have completed the leftover book exercises, and now all your book exercises are complete. Okay, so from today we are going to start the notebook work. Okay, exercises of notebook we will start doing from today of chapter number 13. Now before starting our notebook work children, I would like to give you a very short introduction about the chapter, that what we have all learnt in this chapter. So in this chapter children, you all remember that we have learnt about the landforms and water bodies of the earth. Earth is made up of two things, landforms and water bodies, and so there are many kinds of landforms like plains, plateau, mountain, hills, deserts. Okay, all these we have learnt, and we have also learnt about the water bodies. Water bodies were seas and oceans, rivers, lakes, okay, waterfalls. We have all learnt about this in this chapter. Now children, before starting, I would like to ask you all that I hope you all have completed your book exercises, okay, and those who have not completed children, please complete it on time. अपना ध्यान से और टाइम से अपना काम कंप्लीट करिए, जिससे कि आपको एग्जामिनेशन टाइम में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो लर्न करने में. पहले से लर्न करते चलिए और चैप्टर को समझते चलिए, और साथ के साथ उसके एक्सरसाइजेस भी लर्न करते चलिए, जिससे कि आपको एग्जामिनेशन टाइम में कोई भी तरह की प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ओके, सो स्टार्टिंग विद आवर मिसिंग लेटर्स फर्स्ट. First part, A part is of missing letters. So we will start missing letters. And children, please listen to this video very carefully, because in missing letters you have to learn the whole spelling of each and every word. There are 10 words and you have to learn all the 10 words. Okay, you have to learn the spellings, and you should also know how to pronounce these words. Pronunciation is very important, so please children, listen to this video very carefully. Okay, now starting with part A, missing letters. As you all know children, we have started with our final term. We have started with our second term. So in your notebooks, you will write down, first of all you will on one page you will write down second term. Okay, you will make a second term, and then you will start doing your chapter number 13 from the new page. Okay, don't forget to write second term before starting your chapter number 13. Is that clear? second term लिखना है पहले एक पेज पे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पेज से आपको लेसन नंबर 13 स्टार्ट करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट डाउन टुडेज डेट, दैट इज 28/10/2020, एंड देन यू विल गिव द हेडिंग लेसन 13, आवर ब्यूटीफुल अर्थ. Okay, and then in the next line you will give the heading missing letters part A. Okay, so the first word is landforms. Land, land, forms, forms, landforms. What is a landform children? जिसमें हम अलग अलग तरह के लैंड्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. लैंडफॉर्म्स मीन्स जिसके अंदर आपके माउंटेन्स भी आते हैं, प्लेन्स भी आते हैं, प्लेटोज भी आते हैं, वैलीज भी आती है, डेजर्ट्स भी आते हैं, और आइलैंड्स भी आते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर ऑल योर लैंडफॉर्म्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अर्थ. EARTH, earth. You all know what is earth. Earth is a place where we all live. Earth is a planet where we living beings live. Okay, all the living beings live on earth. Is that clear? Then the third part is plain. PLAIN, plain. Plain is a landform where we all are living. Okay, जहाँ हम लोग सब रह रहे हैं वो plain है. And plains are also very helpful in growing crops. Plains have very good quality of growing crops. Okay. Now the next is mountain. MOUNTAIN, mountain. Mountains क्या होते हैं children? They are very लार्ज हिल्स. ओके, हिल्स आपके छोटे होते हैं और माउंटेन्स आपके हिल्स से भी बड़े होते हैं. और माउंटेन्स की जो टॉप होता है, द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन इज नोन एज पीक. ओके, एंड इन the mountains are always covered with snow. Their peaks are always covered with snow. Is that clear? Now next is plateau. PLATEAU, plateau. Now plateau is also known as tableland. Okay, why it is also known as tableland? Because plateau looks like a table. Okay. Now next is desert. DESERT, desert. Desert is a place, it is a large area of land which is covered with sand everywhere. Okay, so there is very little water found there. So there are not much animals or plants there. There are only very few animals and very few plants survive there. Okay. Valley, VALLEY, valley. Valley is in the shape of V and it lies between the hills and the mountains. Okay, valleys are also very helpful in growing crops. Okay, next is eighth one is island. Now children, again I am telling you so that you all remember that ISLAND is always pronounced as island. It is not pronounced as island. island इस word को कोई नहीं बोलेगा. आपको क्या बोलना है? ISLAND, island. S silent है. Is that clear? Now coming to the next ninth word, oceans. OCEANS, oceans. Now what are oceans children? Oceans and seas are very large water bodies, very big water bodies. Okay, जिसमें सारे रिवर्स का वाटर इकट्ठा होता है. जब पूरा एरिया, जो बहुत बड़ा एरिया पानी का जो होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ओशन. बट ओशन का पानी, ओशन वाटर इज नॉट यूज्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग और कुकिंग. वी कैन नॉट यूज दिस वाटर बिकॉज इट इज वेरी सॉल्टी. Now the last 10th word is river. RIVER, river. You all know what is a river, and the land beside the river, दोनों तरफ जो river के land होता है, that is known as banks. Okay, so I hope you all have understood these missing letters. Again I am repeating. First one is landforms, LANDFORMS, landforms. Second is EARTH, earth. Third is PLAIN, plain. Fourth is MOUNTAIN, mountain. Then fifth is PLATEAU, plateau. Then sixth is desert, DESERT, desert. Seventh is VALLEY, valley. Eighth is ISLAND, island. Ninth is OCEANS, oceans. And the last 10th word is RIVER, river. Is that clear children? I hope you all have understood the missing letters. Now with the missing letters we are going to do fill in the blanks also. Okay, now children, coming to the second part, that is part B, we are going to do fill in the blanks. Okay, so the first fill in the blank is earth is made up of dash and water. हमारा अर्थ जो है वो किससे बना है? लैंड एंड वाटर से. इज दैट क्लियर? सो लैंड विल कम इन दिस ब्लैंक, LAND, लैंड. सेकेंड, अ डैश इज अ फ्लैट लैंड. फ्लैट लैंड हमने किसके लिए पढ़ा था? प्लेन. सो वी विल राइट प्लेन इन दिस आंसर, इन दिस ब्लैंक, PLAIN, प्लेन. ओके. Third one is the peaks of a very high mountains are covered with snow. जो बहुत ऊंचे पहाड़ होते हैं उनके peaks किससे covered होते हैं? Snow से. So your answer is mountains, MOUNTAINS, mountains. Then comes the fourth sentence, the plateau looks like a dash. तो हमने plateau को एक नाम और क्या दिया था? Table land. क्यों? Because it looks like a table, TABLE, table. Now the fifth sentence, desert is a large area of land covered with सैंड, SAND, सैंड। डेजर्ट एक बहुत बड़ा एरिया होता है लैंड का जो कि हमेशा मिट्टी से, सैंड से कवर्ड रहता है। इज दैट क्लियर? 6 सेंटेंसेस। 2 sides of a river are called its banks। जब एक रिवर आपकी फ्लो कर रही है और उसके दोनों तरफ के जो साइड्स होते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बैंक्स। ओके, नाउ द 7th सेंटेंस, वी शुड टेक डैश ऑफ अ अर्थ। हमें अपनी अर्थ की क्या करना चाहिए? केयर। सो वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ अ अर्थ, CARE, केयर। लास्ट 8th सेंटेंस, सी एंड ओशंस हैव डैश वाटर। सी और ओशन का वाटर हम लोग ना तो पानी पीने में यूज कर सकते हैं ना खाना बनाने में। क्यों? बिकॉज इट हैव सॉल्टी वाटर। सो सी एंड ओशंस हैव SALTY, salty water. Is that clear to you all, children? I hope you all have understood the fill in the blanks. Once again I am repeating the 8 fill in the blanks. First one, earth is made up of land and water. Second is a plain is a flat land. Third, the peaks of very high mountains are covered with snow. Fourth, the plateau looks like a table. Fifth, desert is a large area of land covered with sand. Sixth is 2 sides of a river are called its banks. And 7th is we should take care of our earth. Last 8 sentences, sea and oceans have salty water. So children, I hope all these 8 fill in the blanks are clear to you all. So children, with this video I will be giving you an assignment. I will type the assignment with this video, and in that assignment I will be giving you missing letters and fill in the blanks which I have explained in this video, and I hope you will all complete these 2 exercises in your EVS notebooks very neatly, nicely and carefully. Okay, and I want your work to be done daily, date wise, day wise. Okay, so that you don't have any confusion, you don't have any problem while learning. Is that clear, children? So please start doing your work, children, and complete all your work which is given today. Okay, so till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.